Okay, in this video we're going to explain about endo and exothermic reactions and what the graphs look like for those types of reaction. Okay, before we do that, let's just explore the meaning of these two words. So exothermic, exo is to do with exit, that means to give out, to go out, and the thermal bit is to do with heat. You get thermal clothes, they're going to keep you warm. Thermal is to do with heat. So this means that heat is exiting, heat is being released. And if heat is going to be released, this causes surroundings to get hotter because energy is released. Okay, so these reactions release energy to the surroundings. Endothermic is the opposite. So endo is like enter. Okay, En and En here. So it's enter. Again, the thermal bit is to do with heat. So what we have got here is these reactions take in heat energy from the surroundings. So energy is taken in. And those are two definitions for our words. In terms of how we represent these in a graphical format, underneath here we've got some axes to help with this. I'm going to make this first one my exothermic reaction. So an exothermic reaction. And what we're doing here is we're measuring the energy that the reactants have at the beginning. And we need to draw a line on here to show where the products are going to be. Remember, exothermic means that energy is being released. If energy is being released, that means as these reactants become products, they will have less energy because that energy is being released. So my products will be down here. And in between these two stages, we will have a graph that ends up with a little bump for activation energy. And you can see the products have got less energy than the reactants because energy is being released. The difference between those two, as far as to make this come back a little bit to here, that difference there is the amount of energy that is being released by that exothermic reaction. Compare that to the second type of reaction we have got is a endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction, this again, let's label this up, is energy. Here's the energy the reactants have. We need to show where the products are. We go back to our definition. Endothermic is energy is being taken in. So if this is my reactants and they're going to take in energy, then the products will be higher. So here on this reaction are the products. They are going to be up there. And that means that in between here, again, we still have the same activation energy, little bump to get over. That's there. And if we want to look at how much energy has been taken in, we can do this. And here is the difference, and that is the amount of energy that is being taken in.